Here's a quick intuition on support vector machine or SVM. SVM is a popular binary classification algorithm in the machine learning ecosystem. It is a supervised machine learning model as it requires labeled data for training. For classifications, SVM inserts a decision boundary called hyperplane between its binary classes in a way that maximizes the margin from the nearest elements of each class. Let's understand this further through an example. Here we have these training data points already plotted on this chart. The blue circles belong to the first class and the red triangles belong to the second class. As is clear visually, the two classes are linearly separable in this example. So SVM's job here is to insert a hyperplane in between these two classes. Just to be clear, in this case our hyperplane would just look like a line on this two-dimensional chart. Out of all the lines that could be drawn between these two classes, SVM would choose the one that maximizes the margin from the nearest element of each class, as is the case here. Clearly, we may see with this darker line, which is our best hyperplane, SVM model is able to maximize the margin from these two nearest elements in comparison to a smaller margin for this second line. Let's go a little deeper into SVM to reinforce our understanding further. In this case, although the classes are clearly separated, we cannot draw a linear decision boundary like in the previous case. Basically, we need a non-linear decision boundary here. For achieving this, we would create a new dimension z and calculate the z component as per this formula, which is z equal to x square plus y square. You may observe this is the equation of a circle. With this formula, z components for all these points would be in the positive direction. Also, blue ones would be closer to the origin as their x and y components are smaller, and red ones would be farther from origin as their x and y components are relatively large. Here's a small animation for you to observe this in 3 dimensions. As you may observe here, both classes are now separated along z dimension, such that we are able to insert a hyperplane in between. Cool, right? Now all we need to do is to project coordinates of this highlighted circle back to 2 dimensions and we get our decision boundary like this. With this, we may conclude by saying that SVM is a simple yet powerful machine learning model that can handle complex feature sets with ease. And this completes Intuition on SVM.